Sometimes we need animated videos in our videos, and we do not have that much time to animate with animation software. So today I have come up with a solution for how you can create animated characters with the help of AI. So let's start. If you want to create an animated character, there are 2 sites available here with the help of which you can do so. The name of the first website is Adobe Express. Its link is already given in the description, and you can use it from there. I am already logged in. After logging in, you will see the interface like this. Here you will see 3 options: 1. Character, 2. Background, and 3. Size. So first of all, you have to choose the size. I have chosen YouTube 1920 by 1080 pixels. After this, you have to come to the background, or you can choose any background as per your requirements. Already, some background templates have been made, and here the option of uploading images has been given. From here, you can choose your personal background. I would like to choose from templates that have a hot dog stand. After this, you have to come in the category of characters. Here in the category of characters, there are many options for characters. I want to take characters from humans, this one. You can also make the size bigger or smaller from here. You will then need to create a short script in ChatGPT, which I write here for my script. Give me a hot dog seller promotion speech. In brief, you can see here that my script is ready and copy it from here. And then you have to come to the 11 Labs. Paste your script here, and after that, you can choose any voice from here. I have chosen Arnold's voice, and then after clicking on Generate Download from here, our voice is also ready. After this, go to Adobe Express, click on Browse, and choose your voice script. It will take some time to make your video.
Two hours later.
And this video is ready. You can download the video by clicking here.
Ladies and gentlemen, step right up. We've got the tastiest hot dogs in town, and we're offering a limited time deal. Buy 1 hot dog, get the second one at half price. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, our menu has something for everyone. Don't miss out on this sizzling opportunity to satisfy your cravings and join our hot dog loving family. Swing by our stand today and let your taste buds dance with delight.
If you want to know about other AI animation websites, then let me know in the comments section. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe to learn something new.